Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix follow limits on Twitter. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now you must understand that Twitter actually doesn't care or doesn't mind how many accounts you follow overall, but it does limit you how many accounts you can follow per day. Now you can only follow 400 accounts per day. Now if you reach the daily limit of 400 in a day, then you can start following more accounts the next day. So as you can see right here at the Twitter technical follow limits, it says that we don't limit the number of accounts you can follow overall, but there are some limits as to the pace at which you can do so. So right here, every Twitter account right here, every Twitter account is able to follow up to 400 accounts per day. So I hope that answers your questions on Twitter follow limits. And that's it for this video, everyone. And if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!